know. I just pick them in on my mind phone. So for all of my ladies, them royal crazy them, flowers for you, okay? Lovely roses. Okay? So all I get them with the man them now getting our flowers and our roses. Queenie are going to roses. Hello, morning. Oh, thank you. I didn't want to pick it, but you done it for me. You see that? Thank you very much. You see that? So the man picked me a flowers. So there it is. Lovely. That's the main you. I'm a lovely woman. Oh, lovely woman. Queenie out and run with the big bad shoot. Are you picking them all? Okay. So what about those red ones? Is it your garden? It's your garden? Okay. Can I have a white one then? No, can you pick it from... Oh, thank you. I need a red one. Three's my lucky number. Can I have one of the red ones? It's your garden. Yeah. Oh, what's your name? Yes. What's your name? Adrios. Can I have one of those red ones there? Please. Beautiful, yes. Take me there then. Come, let's go. No, I want this red one. Oh, red one? Yes, red. I want three. Three's my lucky number, and I'm going to share it with the ladies. If I get white boyfriend. Ah. Wow. That's beautiful. See, flowers is a girl best friend. Can you pick it from the stem? Wait. Don't pick it from here. Ouch, stick me. Why them nice roses are for Avmaka? Thank you. Okay. Have a lovely day now. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye. Ha. All who not find white man for give them roses is back. Anyway, may I share my roses them with you now. You see? I come pick the flowers them phone and not even see the man I pick flowers. I get flowers. Who's that girl? Na. One Queenie in the deck this Friday. I'm gonna tune into Queenie Fever Channel. The damn morning. Who that? Hello, darling. Morning. I'm not even say who. So damn popular. Blessed love, my dear. It's Chris. Hello.
Hello, my darling.
How are you?
I always watch you.
Yeah.
On YouTube. Yeah, let me take a picture with you, my girl.
Queenie of girl power. The maca joke me.
What happened?
Me just said that pics were
So what happened to you on Dewey?
Dewey? Nothing to do that I care.
So you two back together?
Yes.
I'm so glad. I thought I heard that you were back together, but I couldn't believe it.
Yes, we are.
And I said, that is so good.
Yeah, we're trying to make
man.
things work better this time. Okay. Crazy.
Oh, thank you, my darling.
Have a blessed day, yeah?
You too. Look after yourself and your husband.
I will do. Thank you. Queen Wave, yeah. Thank you, darling. Bye. Queen is so busy. Yes, my love. Me have new saga come on. Whoa. Yes, ladies. Some of roses are for me, you know. Girl power, myself. I have to take care of my girl, you know. Yeah. Fuck that. Okay. So what I'm going now? Only say about my flowers. Look. One for you. One for me. Two for you. So 3 is my lucky number, and I get 3 lovely roses. And I'm going to share it with my royal crazies. But you see, if you're not subscribed to my Viva, and go watch my song, I'm going to take back my roses. Deal? V6 what happened? So me are going to 3 rows, complimentary of Queenie to the girl power ladies, for you lot to go and help promote my song. One queen in the deck. Yeah, right, Dewey? What time you ready? 10:30. Okay. So you have good time. We have time, man. Oh, so me can't go run up and down then. How you know? Eh? Yeah, you still have time. Alright, but me go finish that line. Me soon come, yeah? I'm outside. Ow! I ring my foot. Oh, my son. Oh, sure. Watch your ambulance. I mean, ambulance I come fast. Ooh, me ring my foot to flag. You see that? That's what you call emergency. Them drive fast. Them I say, not this shit. Yes, my husband I go work. I go drop him at work. Him the one work already. I'm gonna come for him and take him to another job. Okay? When I get that, but away from that, Viva. It's all today on attack. I say, no, me did on the live with Queenie this morning. I should say for subscribe and I just send up the numbers there, man. Pow! Send up the numbers them and just stream the song. And if I have it for ringtone. Ladies, remember, one queen in the deck. We all are queens in our own rights. So when you not get that song there, when you just play it every day. One queen in the deck. I love you in that. Me sexy, me was sexy blood. Oh God, me can't walk. Oh my God, know my foot ring. This is England early morning. Hmm? The live is soon done. Alright, we're not gonna help me walk. Come. Green is I'm ring my foot. That's what I work on it. I run on it with cooler. I just ring my foot and I come out of the car. Anyway, right, crazy. Right now, more and dump on. Alright. You know I'm John. You know I'm come live with me? No, not you. No, I'm not do that. Thank you, what are you dash me where? You know have me on WhatsApp and me not see her here for. Oh, I'm pretty girl.
Morning, Queenie.
How you and that sir? Who you? What your name?
Angel. We haven't spoken for a while, so it's been a while. Queenie,
Yeah, baby.
I'm traveling on Thursday. I'm going to Zimbabwe. I'm going to do a video clip with your song when it's released, and I'm going to send it to you. I've got your WhatsApp. I'm going to send it on your WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my WhatsApp number?
Yeah, so I'm going to do a video clip for you with your song. I'll do a little dance.
Oh, I
Yeah.
appreciate that. Yes. So you got
Yeah, so
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe tomorrow.
Zimbabwe. Tomorrow, how long
Yes.
you spending?
I'm going to be there for a month.
What, girl, you live life. Big up yourself and enjoy yourself and be safe, okay?
Thank you
And
very
thanks
much.
for helping me promoting the song, okay?
No, that's okay. That's what we should do. Thanks for the
Yes, I really
positivity.
appreciate that.
Thanks for the positivity as well, because, your story is a lesson to ladies to heal and come back again and restart
Sure.
and try again. People are always prideful and scared
I
because
know.
of the public, but
Because
you
of
know,
pride, yes.
right. So you showed a lot of women that you can let go and start again and make it right. So just to say thank you, because a lot of people have let go of good people just because of pride and fear of what other people would say. So to both of you, really, well done.
Thank
It's
you.
your,
Well
it's
done to you as well. I really appreciate what you say I gotta do for my son. Cause I have some people that live next door me and them don't even care about me. So anyone that care about me have to appreciate it. So girl, big up yourself and enjoy yourself. Zimbabwe!
thank you. Yes, we're going to be living it up out there, but we're going to be playing your song and we're going to just do something for you out there with some
Oh God,
other
Angel,
people.
I'm so excited. Bless your love and thank you, okay?
Yeah, have a good day. All
All right,
right.
darling. Bye.
Lots of love. Bye.
You see that is a girl power that you know. Oh, Angel Delight, are you? Jesus Christ, my
Yes,
DM.
it's me. It's been a while. I know. It's been a while.
I just realized say your girlfriend. You see them
Yeah.
nice. Bless up yourself, baby.
Thank you. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
girl. Yeah,
All right
bye.
then. Bye.
Nice girl. It's that's a true supporters. Yes, I appreciate it. Yes, not because of necessarily me nice, they are loady. Me need a little help. So me I cry out for the little help now for the help support my song because I want the song to reach Grammy stage. Ready morning. So when me I get a Grammy, like I said, Jesus Christ. Alright, so with them on the live. I may say, I want the producer them for reach out to me, Me know the found out the dep on the live, you know. I see it. I send it out in our universe. I who find me sick of rhyme. Alright, go and have your cup of tea, baby. You can come back when I go for your Grammy.
Hi, Queenie.
Morning.